The Maxi Pro TV Listening System from Bellman and Symfon is a Bluetooth hearing amplifier. It is fully digital and features 3 functions in one device. These functions include hearing conversations, hearing your TV, and hearing your mobile. But first, let's look inside. To start, you open the box from this side. On top, there's packaging for the warranty and instruction manuals in multiple languages. The package comes with an amplifier and a TV streamer. Let's talk about the amplifier. As you can see, the amplifier is a good size for your hand to grasp, and the buttons on the front are easy to understand. Each button has only one function. This is the power button. To the right is the button that controls the microphone. The button next to it controls the Bluetooth function. More on that later. Now if we move down, we have the volume right here that you can control easily. The plus will raise the volume. And the minus will lower the volume. The green LED lights show the volume levels. Below the volume buttons are the tone controls. If you need more treble, press the up arrow. If more bass is needed, press the down arrow. At the top, there is a yellow charging port for charging the device. On this side, there is a headphone jack for your hearing accessory, so you can listen to the audio from the device. Maxi Pro comes with a pair of headphones or earbuds. To use them, just take the jack and plug it into the headphone port. If you have a hearing aid with a telecoil, you can connect to the amplifier with our neck loop. Then you can boost the performance of your hearing aid. Now, this is the TV streamer in the package that comes already paired to the amplifier. It sends a Bluetooth signal to the amplifier so you can hear the television better. This device needs to be plugged in for it to work. There are 3 ways to connect it to the television, and only one can be plugged in at a time. First is our recommended connection with the fiber optic cable. Make sure you take off both clear covers on both ends before plugging in. On the back of the TV streamer, there is a port that says optical. Plug one end here. Then plug the other end into the TV's optical port. If your television doesn't have optical, check if it has audio out or component out. If it does, take the mini stereo cable and plug it into the audio port on the back of the streamer. Then take the other end of the mini stereo cable and plug it into the RCA adapter. Next, plug the red and white ends into the audio out in the back of the television. The last option is connecting the mini stereo cable to the back of the TV streamer and plugging the other end into the headphone port on the back of the television. This option will block the sound from the speakers, and the other 2 options will allow the sound to still come out of the TV. The Maxi Pro TV Listening System uses Bluetooth aptX low latency technology, so audio synchronization is optimal with the program you are watching. To connect the amplifier to your cell phone, press and hold the Bluetooth button until it flashes a blue LED light. On your smartphone, go to Settings, and then Bluetooth. Turn Bluetooth on and select Maxi Pro. If you're watching TV and have someone calling you, you will hear a ringing sound from the amplifier. Press the Bluetooth button once to answer the call. You can hear the phone call from the Maxi Pro and talk back directly without the need for your cell phone to be nearby. Once you are finished, press the Bluetooth button again to hang up the call and return to your previous listening mode. Or, wait for the phone call to end and the amplifier will automatically switch back to the previous listening mode. To reject a call, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 3 seconds. If the green LED is on, then the mic is active and you can listen to the conversation around you. If the blue LED is steady, that means the Bluetooth is connected, but the audio source isn't playing. If the blue LED is blinking, that means Bluetooth is connected and the audio source is playing. If the battery LED begins to flash red, then it means the battery is low and it needs to charge. To charge the amplifier, you need to plug the USB side of this cord into the streamer, and the yellow side into the yellow charging port on the amplifier. The battery LED will begin to flash green when it is charging. When it is finished charging, the battery LED will have a steady green light. Lastly, the Maxi Pro TV listening system comes with a belt clip and a lanyard. To connect the belt clip, find the grooves on both sides of the amplifier. Place the belt clip in the grooves and it will snap in. For the lanyard, feed the string through the hole on the top of the amplifier. And that is the Maxi Pro TV listening system.